Have you ever wondered what is the average value in a box fan? Well, I'll tell you in a minute. Okay, going in as scrap steel, you get $1.90 for 27 pounds, 7 cents a pound. After cutting the cords off, you get $1.86 in steel. The cords themselves are worth 76 cents. First up, the brown fan. $0.34 in steel. Then for the motor, there it is. The motor is worth $1.65. And our wire is worth 28 cents. Next up, for the older style gray fan, you got 38 cents in steel. The motor with a $1.42. Low grade wire is worth 33 cents. And this stuff I get more for because it's got solid in the middle. This connects the switch to the motor in the fan. I get $2.10 for that. Which is 8 cents. Okay, back with the last, most modern one. 28 cents in steel. Okay, low grade wire. $0.36. Cast aluminum. My Scrapyards allows a little bit of steel on there. 18 cents. The motor. Well, actually, my Scrapyard is kind of dumb. They downgrade this motor to only 40 cents a pound. Because I took this thing out, they call it copper content instead of a motor. I don't know. So the motor's worth 32 cents. And the high grade wire, number 2 good, 6 cents. Our shred steel grand total is $1. Our motor total is $3.07. Our copper content total is 32 cents. Our number 2 good is 16 cents. Our number 2 low grade wire is $1. And our cast aluminum total is 18 cents. Don't worry, I do take the brass plugs out.